Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2013 Ford Taurus, and in this video I will show you which fuses to check in case your power sunroof is not working. This video will apply to latest generation of Ford Tauruses made from 2013 all the way up to 2019. Okay, the first fuse you want to check is located in a fuse box just under the steering wheel. Now it's a bit hard to access it, but I'll do my best to record it for you. Okay, let me just squeeze my phone inside here. Okay, all the fuses are located under this black cover. To remove the cover, you'll have two black clips. One is here and the other one is on the other side. So what you want to do, you want to press onto the both clips and just wiggle the cover off. Once you do that, on the back side of the cover you will have a small white fuse puller which you can use to pull each fuse separately. And the fuse you want to check is fuse number 38, which is located right here. It's a 10 amp red fuse, and this is the fuse responsible for the power to moonroof module and the switch. Second fuse to check will be located in a fuse box which is just next to the vehicle battery, located right here. Now to remove this cover you'll have two clips, one here, one here. You want to press them at the same time and leave the cover straight up. On the back side of this cover you'll also have a small fuse diagram. And the fuse you want to check here is fuse number 8, which is a 20 amp fuse located here. So this is the fuse you want to check out. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.